Today is September 5th, 9-5, and my title is Peeling Shadow W. Peeling Shadow W. Let's go ahead and get our sketchbooks open here. Okay, put it in the next box here, and the date, 9-5. Here we go. So what I'd like you to do today is let's start with a simple box. Okay? Not difficult, just 4 sides, easy little box. Okay? You're going to bring down a line on the left. Okay? And a line down on the right. You want to try to make sure that these are equal in width, okay? So if I measure that with my pencil, it looks to me like my width is basically from the end of my eraser to the end of the gold part of the pencil. So if I line it up over here, looks close enough to me. Okay, so perfect. Let's go ahead and add the inside of the W. This is just like how we did it yesterday. We're going to come here just a little bit inside. We're going to go up and down, a little triangle there. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect, but just a little triangle inside there, and then come up a little bit. And we're going to do the same thing right here. Okay, so now if you erase this, this, and this, you can see the W starting to emerge. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give a good erase to all of this part that I don't need. Okay, make sure it's gone. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to outline this more darkly. So just go back around it once more, because before it was sketching, now I'm drawing. I'm filling it in. So if I can still see those light lines, I'm going to go ahead and erase them as I go. Okay, there's one there. Over. And pull that down a little bit so you can see that better. Down. Over. Okay, so at this point, just filling that in, just like that. So please erase any lines or marks that you don't need. Looks like I've got this cleaned up pretty well. Okay, so here's my W. So now what I need to do is make the shadow part that's coming off of it, and this is actually going to be pretty easy today. What you're going to do is you're going to start on the left, see your corner, come down a little bit, bring it over, just like that, and you're going to take that and you're going to just bring it and you're going to angle it right down into the bottom of the W, like that. Okay, for the shadow on this side, follow it over, pretend like there's an imaginary line, because these should line up across. So do the same thing you just did, except you're going to pull this one in to right here. Okay, so you've got 2 parts. I'm going to curve this one just a little bit more, kind of make it more exaggerated. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fill those in solid so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, when you fill these in solid, you want to shade neatly and carefully. Okay, try to stay inside the lines. You don't want a lot of stuff going all over the place. Okay, so there's one on the left. Let's do the one on the right. And then the last thing we'll have to do is the one in the middle. Okay, so I'm bringing it down. Filling that in all the way, solidly. Okay, that looks good right there. And let's go ahead and get the middle part. Okay, now how we're going to do that is a couple of ways. We're going to come down right to about here. Okay, we're going to come up at an angle and then curve it down into the W. Okay, just like that. So it's just like a little, kind of a little triangle coming off of there. What that is, it's the peeling part. It's peeling off of this. So it's mimicking this shape. Okay, but that's not all we need, because as you know, if this shadow's peeling off, this should be coming down off of the bottom as well. So just come maybe right to about here, and you're going to curve that right into the bottom of your W, the side. Okay, like that. Okay, and that's your peeling shadow W for today. So I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure that you erase any lines or marks that you don't need. Watch your proportion. Make sure that the thickness is the same, as close as you can get it on both sides. If you need help, line that pencil up, okay, to get an idea. Please make sure you include all the solid shaded areas here, 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 and here, and fill that in neatly, please.